In this video, I'm gonna show you 7 realistic drawing hacks that will improve your art in less than 3 minutes. So, let's just jump into it. To get super sexy proportions, do a grid on your reference image and then copy it on your paper and start sketching using it as a guide. But since I'm lazy as fuck, I got this magical crazy product that projects the reference image on your paper. You just have to put your tablet on it and sketch to get perfect proportions. If you want more information about it, go watch the review I made or just go to their website and buy it. To color realistic drawings, I use Prismacolor Premiere colored pencils because they are sexy as fuck. The only problem that I had with them is that the tip dies really quick and that didn't allow me to do sexy lines. So I got a Prismacolor sharpener and now I can make more detailed drawings and blend my colors way better than before. When you draw realism, your goal is to make whatever you wanna draw as close as how it looks in reality. But what happens if you draw what you think instead of what you see? Well, let me explain. An apple is red in your head, that's what we all think, right? But it often has tints of other colors like yellow and purple. So just draw what you see in your reference image and be free with your colors, and your results will be absolutely mind-blowing. When I use Prismacolors, I always work in layers. First, I start with the lightest color and I keep adding details with darker tones. This will allow you to make more detailed drawings and blend your colors way better in the later stage of the drawing. Blending colors with Prismacolors is almost the same as blending with Copic. Start with the darkest color and then add layers with lighter colors. To blend, just color over the dark tone with your light color until you get a nice color transition between them. Whenever you arrive home really happy and broke after you spent $3,000 on art supplies, always make a little chart with the new colors and their names. This will help you to always choose the right colors when you draw and never make happy accidents.
We don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
Also remember to be patient when you draw realism. A realistic drawing takes me around 4 hours to complete, so I get a bit tired while I draw. That's why I always take some little breaks to procrastinate and watch Ryan Toys review videos.
Egg surprise! Ready, go, go, go!
Never try to draw really fast because that will pressure you a lot and then the result won't be as sexy as you want. Take your time, drink some paint water and enjoy the drawing process. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Do